What's up guys, Reboot here. If you haven't already heard, Meta has taken over the internet. But why? So on July 6th, Mark Zuckerberg and Meta announced the release of their new social media platform called Threads. And you might be asking yourself, what is Threads? I guess you can say Threads is basically an app for tweeting, or should I say threading? I don't know, but Meta says that Threads is Instagram, but without the pictures, or in their exact words, for sharing text updates. So essentially, Threads is an alternative to Twitter, although some may say it's an exact copy of Twitter, which has sparked a lot of debate and drama. Over the past few days, I've actually enjoyed using Threads more so than any other social media platform, but there are two things that I don't like about Threads, which I will go over later in the video. Should you download the new social media app called Threads? Yes, I think you should, and here's why. Upon the initial release of Threads, it quickly gained a lot of traction with over 40 million downloads worldwide on just day one, which is an insane number. One reason I believe Threads is doing so well, as do others, is because it became available just at the right time. Not only is Threads doing what Twitter does, but it's doing it without all the restrictions that Twitter currently has going on. With all the ongoing changes that Elon Musk is making over at Twitter, like requiring a $11 monthly subscription on iOS or Android, or a $8 monthly subscription for the web pricing to get access to features like editing posts or getting the verified blue check mark next to your name, it's no wonder people are running away and looking for an alternative. And to put the cherry on top, Elon Musk recently limited the amount of posts that you can view daily to 600 a day for unverified accounts and 6,000 a day for verified accounts, which will probably increase or change by the time that you're watching this video. It almost seems like Elon is losing his mind over at Twitter with tweets like this and this and this. Speaking of limited posts, Elon did address the reason for the temporary restrictions, tweeting that there are extreme levels of data scraping and system manipulation. I believe this is from all the new AI apps and technology like ChatGPT and others. Another thing is that many people are speculating that Threads will be the end for Twitter, which I honestly think it does have a very good chance if Twitter doesn't clean up its act soon. Elon has made several other tweets accusing Threads of being a copy and paste version of Twitter, which honestly I think it's super hilarious seeing all the tweets and drama going on. Apart from all that, another reason I believe that's making Threads extremely popular is that it's very easy to set up and familiarize yourself with the app. You can use your Instagram account to log in and most of your information will be transferred over right away. Threads has a very clean and minimalistic UI, which makes it feel very easy to get the hang of. Meta also states that every feed is customized to the user, only showing threads from friends and recommended accounts, but that's just one of the things that I don't like about Threads. You are given this endless feed of scrolling through posts from accounts that aren't even related to your interest. Plus, you don't even know where you left off the previous time that you got off the app, which I guess isn't too different from Twitter. I do wish there was another tab on the homepage where it only shows updates from all the people that you follow, and then a separate tab for a explore page where you can see what is recommended to you. The second thing I dislike about Threads is the profile page. It just seems a little boring and almost exactly like an Instagram profile page with a few things moved around. It almost seems like they got lazy about it. Another thing is that you also can't get a view of who you're following just by going to your profile page. I personally think that there should be a dedicated following tab on your profile page. But regardless of these two minor details, the main takeaway from Threads for me is that I can quickly catch up on any updates going on or what people are currently posting about without getting easily distracted by suggested videos or pictures, which will lead to 30 minutes or more of scrolling and wasted time. Another nice thing to mention is that Mark Zuckerberg did post on Threads that there will be no ads until Threads reaches 1 billion users, which is actually a breath of fresh air, considering that Facebook and pretty much every other social media platform is flooded with ads. So with all that being said, will you be downloading Threads? And do you guys think it will replace Twitter? Who knows, only time will tell. So far, I think it's off to a really good start, and overall, I actually think Threads has been pretty cool to use in the past few days. It's very simple, minimalistic, and aesthetically pleasing to look at when I'm using it, and I'm actually hoping with future tweaks and updates it will only get better. So we will see if Threads is here to stay. From the looks of it, it does look like there's going to be a legal battle between these two tech giants. So who do you guys think is going to win, Meta or Twitter? Comment down below and let me know what you think. And if you haven't already, follow me on Threads and like the video if you made it to the end. Thanks for watching. Peace.